is Juhi Arora. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn another technique to beat the scorching heat, and this technique is known as Sitkari Pranayama. It is also known as a cooling pranayam because unlike other pranayam in which we inhale through the nostrils, in this pranayam we inhale through the mouth. So basically when we inhale through the nostrils, the air gets purified and also becomes warm, whereas in this pranayam we are inhaling through the mouth. So when we inhale the air touches the wet tongue and gives you a cooling sensation in return. So you can also make out from this that this technique doesn't really purify the air. So you need to make sure that you are practicing this in a clean and pure environment. The technique for practicing Sitkari Pranayam is very easy. All you have to do is smile as wide as you can and make sure that your teeth are together. And it's more like a smiling and brushing kind of a technique. So that's how it goes. You smile and open your mouth wide open as if you are brushing your teeth. Alright, so while you're doing that, inhale through your mouth, your teeth being together, and then close your mouth and exhale through the nostrils. I'll just show you how it is to be done. Let's try one more round to make things clear. Pretty simple, right? You kind of get this hissing sound. That's when you know you're doing it correctly. So this pranayam also helps you to lower your blood pressure. It helps you to manage your stress, anxiety and anger issues, and it can help you sleep better. And the main benefit of this pranayam is that it cools down your entire body. But however, you need to keep it in mind that if you're suffering from severe cold or if you have asthma, then you are not supposed to practice this pranayam. If you found this video to be helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Also, if you have any other video requests or recommendations, then don't forget to mention them in the comments below. I'll see you again on Thursday. Until then, keep breathing. Namaste.